Don't go shooting all the dogs, cause one of them got fleas. Don't just listen to these songs and think that you got grease. They just lyrics, I be venting to this mic, it's therapy. You could leave, but them other guys is whack, they not me. Godspeed, sweetie, living out my dreams. I don't need a genie. Pops did Madonna shows, music in my blood, it was destined for me. Way before I even fucking seen a CD. Cross the wrong line, you gon' need a treaty. Peace is a lie, there is only passion. And through passion I get stronger. Long days working on getting better, but they only get longer. Getting there is half the battle, staying there is much harder. I've been flying out to islands so remote we must charter. Been a pro for 10 years, trying to go another 10. Going hard like Vince Carter. Leave something for my son and my daughter in case of my departure.
That's super cool. It's super early in the morning. We out here in Riverside, California. Welcome back, friends and followers. Thank you for joining me. I have this can sticking out of my, don't mind that. Anyways, we out here to support breast cancer awareness. They're doing a walk and a car show. So there's all kinds of cool cars that I've never seen before. And we're gonna go through this adventure together and let's see what gems appear today out in the wild here at Bonaminio Park in Riverside, California. Here we go.
Long days working on getting better, but they only get longer. Getting there is half the battle, staying there is much harder. I've been flying out to islands so remote we must charter. Been a pro for 10 years, trying to go another 10. Going hard like Vince Carter. Leave something for my son and my daughter in case of my departure.
I'll always try to get it right. I'm working hard to leave a legacy behind. Yeah, you know that I'll always fight for what is mine.
All right, we out here. We're giving these knees a workout already. It's sunrise 30 o'clock. It's about 65 degrees Fahrenheit, which is, it's gotta be colder than 65. Oh man, I'm gonna have to fact check. It's pretty cold out here for Southern California, definitely. Whew.
Hey, yeah, leave it for my little ones, my real ones. For people trying to feel some. For all the bridges burned along the way and how we still run and still swim. Even though we underwater, never hit the kill switch and overcome like everything we deal with. I still feel there's more for me to do until I call it quits. Everything I do is for the ones I love and miss. Take some time, water flowers till they grow and split. Then take the seeds, plant them back and you control the ship. Navigating through the eye of the storm. Live through the lows, got me higher informed. Soldier soul, now you got buyer's remorse. I stay composed when them bloodsuckers hit me with a tireless swarm. I've been down but never finished, been bound to higher limits. Walking past, I've been the thinnest, almost lost myself within it. All the roads that end the quickest means you didn't take it farther. I gotta go harder in case of my departure.
You know that
Oh, look at that window. Oh, that is the coolest window ever. That quarter rear. Oh man. Sick.
Yeah, you know that I'll always fight for what is mine. I'm working hard to leave a legacy behind.
I'm right in his blind spot, technically. It rumbles so hard that it shakes the hood. troubles me that the first thought of seeing this truck is, I can roll under that. I can. Come on. We're rolling under it. We're going under.
More. So every time you take a step up there, you're doing this for those who are experiencing recovery and treatment in cancer. And what's the best part of all of this? The best part of all of this is, guess what? Everything is absolutely free. There are no charges to our clients. So please feel good about what you're doing today. Not only about walking, but making strides toward the care of our cancer-impacted community.
All right, so we, as you can see, left the car meet. We out here, we're filming the Pink On Parade. It's supporting breast cancer awareness. Here we go. Let's film all these awesome supporters who came out to Riverside to support breast cancer awareness. All right, it looks like we're gonna put the GTS to the test here on this crazy grade and maneuver through all these people like it's easy. We're gonna make it look easy. Here we go. Well, that was fun. We caught an open section. It is I don't know, this is super cool. Never knew it existed, but we out here shredding now. Maybe I should have had my helmet on. Whatever. We're not gonna go crazy. All right, I think that's enough of that, because if I go any further, I'm gonna start doing crazy stuff, and I don't have any gear on, and yeah, here we go. There you go, there we go. Woo! Excuse me, thank you. Woo! You really tell a difference in some of the crowds. Some got high vibes and some are just like, no, I am not. There we go, see? High vibes. That's what I'm talking about. Excuse me. There we go. Woo!
Oh shit!
Oh, don't worry about me, just do your thing. super cool tires. I mean, super cool rides, but those tires, pretty cool.
Oh, look.
That one's super high. Ah. Got the Green Bay theme. Hey.
1928 Schwinn.
Sweet. Ew. I got it, sucker. It's been an awesome meet here in the city of Riverside at Bonaminio Park. Anytime you're supporting your local community, it's always good, but when it's a double down and you're supporting your local community and breast cancer awareness and supporting your local car scene all at the same time, it's just like, anyways, definitely get out there, support your local community, make sure to take action, stay motivated, do what drives you, and I will see you on the next one. Peace!